Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage volume balance for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be turned on and connected to your phone. Now scroll down and you need to find accessibility. Click on it and then scroll down again. And you need to find audio adjustment. Right here I have it. Click on it and here it is, we have audio balance. So if you wanna increase it for the right earbud, you just move this slider to the right one, but you can lower volume for the left earbud and you will increase it to the right earbud. And it's the same with the left one, just move it to the left and you need to check also is it okay for you. You can increase it or lower it, it's up to you. And you will increase this volume for the left earbud and lower it for the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!